In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the currency on Alibaba. If you shop or source products on Alibaba, seeing prices in your preferred currency makes comparing options much easier. The process is quick, and once you set it, Alibaba will remember your choice for future visits in the same browser. Start by opening a web browser and going to Alibaba.com. Give the homepage a moment to fully load. Now, look toward the top right corner of the page. You'll see a small menu that combines language and currency settings. Hover your mouse over that area, and a panel will appear. If the panel doesn't open right away, move your cursor slightly or wait a second for the site to finish rendering. On slower connections, that pop-up can be a bit delayed. In the panel, select the currency option to bring up the list of available currencies. You'll see many choices here, and the list can be long, so scroll until you find the one you want. As an example, you might pick euros, pounds, yen, or your local currency. Click the currency you prefer to select it. This tells Alibaba which currency to use when displaying product prices across the site. Once you've made your selection, look for the Save button and click it to confirm. This is important. If you don't save, your choice won't stick. After you click Save, the page may refresh, and you should see prices recalculated in the currency you chose. A few quick notes to keep things clear. Changing the currency adjusts how prices are displayed, not the seller's original listing currency. Exchange rates are updated periodically by Alibaba, so you might notice slight differences day to day. At checkout, taxes, shipping, or payment provider rates may still reflect your payment method's currency and fees. If you're signed into your account, Alibaba typically syncs your preference. If you're browsing as a guest, the site usually stores it in your browser, which means clearing cookies could reset it. If the currency menu doesn't appear, maximize your browser window or try disabling any extensions that block pop-ups, then reload the page. Also, language and currency are grouped together, so while you're there, you can adjust the interface language separately if you need to. That's all there is to it. Go to Alibaba, open the language and currency panel at the top right, choose your preferred currency from the list, and save. With that set, browsing prices becomes far simpler and more consistent as you compare